Playa Bike Repair for me is my home at Burning Man. I've been coming to that camp for 4 years and I just love it. There are lots of people that I know here and I love coming back, and I love the way the camp is organized, and I love the service we provide. We actually fix everyone's bikes, which is amazing.
Playa Bike Repair for me is giving back to the community and coming here and helping other people and fixing bikes and saving people's burns, and it feels really good.
Playa Bike Repair to me is just being little angels on the playa, providing a service to fix everyone's bikes and give them their transportation back.
So it's super important to fix the bikes because the playa is huge and everyone gets punctures all the time, and if you don't have a bike, you're literally going to die dehydrated in the middle of the playa. So we love actually fixing people's bikes, and it's so amazing to see like the relief on their face once you fix their bike. They're like, oh my god, thank you. So I think it's a very important service we're doing here.
Bike Repair for me is the best camp in the Playa. More than just a camp, it's a family, and it's a very good way to be useful because we're actually allowing everybody to have mobility. We are enabling people who are by foot, etc. They can go by bike and they can go explore much more, and so it feels so good that you're actually useful.
My favorite thing at Playa Bike Repair is the people. That's why I come back every year. There are hundreds of camps at Burning Man, and every year I wonder, oh, should I camp somewhere else? And I can't because I love the people here. I love you, Playa Bike Repair.
Thank you, Playa Bike Repair.